A is for apple. B is for boy.
Yay!
C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for girl. H is for home. I is for ice. J is for Jack. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nail. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for quiet. Shh. R is for rocket. S is for snail. T is for train. U is for up. V is for vroom. W is for whale. X is for X-ray. Y is for Yeti. Z is for zipper.